So, you clicked on this video for 3 reasons and 3 reasons only. 1, being the thumbnail was catchy. 2, the title caught your attention. And 3, you're fucking addicted to being a loser, and I'll explain to you why. You, a beginner to trading or even business as a whole, seem to have fallen into the rut of looking for quick money ways to lead your pathway to success. I'm sorry to inform you, but this video will crush your dreams. You clicked on this video expecting to actually make $10,000 a day. I guess I did clickbait you, but bite me, I guess. Now, don't get me wrong, if you sit there like a good boy or girl that you are and wait patiently, I might actually show you how to make $10,000 a day by the end of this video, but don't skip through to the end because that's cheating. And this is mainly the point of this video. The issue with the trading industry is that beginners will easily fall for these scam gurus selling them false hopes and a false lifestyle, convincing them to buy their course at a ridiculous price in hopes that they become profitable in less than a year. And the problem with this is the problem I just discussed at hand. Beginners in the business space are obsessed with the get-rich-quick scheme, and 99% of the time, they fall for it. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with purchasing someone's course, otherwise, what's the point of universities and learning from professors? But my point is, make sure your mentor is at least ethical and cares enough to help you succeed. People don't seem to understand that anything you do in business is going to take a while, is going to be hard and difficult and challenging, and it's never always sunshine and rainbows. You will have ups and downs, but it's how you react to the downs that allow you to succeed in your goals. The reason why 99% of traders fail is a broad and subjective statistic is because in that 99%, you have people who fail, who quit, who chase the quick money, who get scammed, and the ones who try once and don't even give it another chance. What makes you the 1% who succeed are the ones who understand that trading is a genuine business and it'll take years to scale and build just like any other business. If money was made easy, everybody would have it and the value of money would decrease, and that's why you see a fixed rate of wages being paid to employees that differ from country to country. Some range from $6 an hour to $20 an hour, being the average and minimum wage. The average salary in North America in 2024 so far is $53,490, and divided by 12 is $4,457 every month, which makes it $1,114 every week. And let's say you're working 40 hours a week, which is full time, it comes up to approximately $222 every single day. To put it into perspective, in trading, if you make only $500 a day for 4 days a week, that comes up to $2,000 a week and $8,000 a month, which makes you stand up to a whopping $96,000 a year. You are instantly making almost double the average salary in North America, and that's only $500 a day. Imagine what you can do with $1,000 a day as a day trader. To sum up this video, the way you can actually make $10,000 a day is definitely not from trading. Trading is a form of capital gain that allows you to broaden your options to start investing in different net businesses and hobbies you would like to partake in. There is simply not enough volume and chance in this world that you could have anyone watching this video become the true top 1%. Not even me. Anyways, that's about it. See ya.